Situated in the heart of northern Colorado's sought-after Golden Triangle, the Miller Farm parcel offers a rare opportunity to own 5.1 acres of scenic rural land overlooking a private pond and taking in sweeping panoramic views of the Front Range. Vistas like this are increasingly difficult to find, especially in a location that still offers both privacy and convenience. Located on the northwest portion of the Miller Farm, this parcel provides a peaceful country setting while remaining just 10 minutes from Greeley, Windsor and Severance. The gently sloping west-facing terrain creates an ideal building site for a custom home. From the property, you'll enjoy stunning sunrises to the east across open farmland and unforgettable Colorado sunsets as the Rockies glow to the west. Mature trees along the northeast boundary help create a sense of seclusion and privacy from the neighboring homestead. This acreage is well suited for a variety of uses, whether you envision a custom home built for entertaining, an equestrian property, or simply quiet country living. With no HOA in place, buyers may keep horses, cattle, or other livestock, as well as build barns, shops, or additional outbuildings to suit their needs. Access to the parcel is provided through the adjacent farm via a well-established gravel road. Water will be supplied by a domestic well located on the adjacent farm, which is ready for a pump installation and will be shared with the original farm owner. Electric service, septic, and gas utilities will also be buyer installed. The Miller Farm parcel offers a truly exceptional setting to build a custom home, combining panoramic views, usable acreage, and rural freedom just minutes from town. For more information or to schedule a property showing, please contact Dan Brunk or visit HaydenOutdoors.com today.